Hello, VIX Trader here again, doing a video about how to handle yesterday's action and what went on. Um, so I have these indicators which are discussed in other videos: the monthly, the futures, the 50-minute trend, and of course the weekly low. Yesterday the market, we discussed how this 267 is very important because on the monthly candle, if it breaks below the 267, the market can go a lot lower. We'll see in 2008 it did that when the Lehman bankruptcy went below the January low, and a few other times like here it went below January low and the market went significantly lower to the support line, and here as well. So that January low of 267.40 is very important, and the market gapped down right off the bat when it opened up at 262 area, 264 area, and just all the way down to 262. So it's very bearish action. And the futures gave me an indication, as I said in the earlier videos, the 6 p.m. futures was the 291 to 296 area, as it stayed below it throughout overnight. Then when the market opened up around here at 9 a.m. or so, around here 9 a.m. or so, it just plunged below it, till the close. So if it breaks the futures low, that's an indication. So the monthly low was broken. The futures low was broken. The weekly low, which was from Monday, the day before yesterday, was also broken because it opened up at 265. And then the last one I talked about the primary candle. How the first 15 minutes of the day can dictate how the day goes. As Wednesday, Thursday is that first candle, Friday that first candle. So the question was, when the market opens down, will it be like Thursday and go above that first 15-minute candle and rally to the close? Or it'll be more like Monday, where it opens down and just goes below the low of that primary candle, the first 15-minute candle, and just keeps selling off. And it was kind of an in-between. The market throughout the day gapped down. Here's that first candle right here. And it just pretty much stayed in that range until about 2 o'clock, where they said margin selling caused it to go bearish. And you see it found a lot of resistance over that 15-minute low. So that 15-minute candle is very important. In charts, the first candle of the month for the year is very important. The SPX, the first candle, is important. The 6 p.m. candle, and also the first 15 minutes, the 9:15, the 9:30 to 9:45 open is very important as well. And this is algorithms, computer-driven trading here. 80% of the market is computer-driven. So the day had a very negative day to it, and what you try to hope for as a VIX trader when you have the VIX spike, we talked about in earlier videos, how if you can get this thing shorted around the 52 to 53 area, it's usually a good price. We see the history of this past year, the 200, this blue line, this 200-day moving average, is the blue line, has been good resistance for the TVIX. So it spiked up right up to that 200-day moving average. Look at that, what a coincidence, by the computers, and drove it lower. Same thing happened, a couple of weeks earlier. So I look around that price. If I'm going to trade it, I trade small. I only traded 50 shares, about $53, and I covered around 50.77, which today went on, which on this buy, I shorted around here. Take that back. 53 was around here. This buy was at the low, and I covered around here. And that was pretty much my day. And the rest of the day, I just watched to see how the close went. So I basically want to cover any situations. These numbers, are important, and they give you clues. This was going to tell me you went below 267 is going to be a very bearish day on the futures low, and the weekly low, and the primary candle low. And my plan for the day was just see how the SPY acts. Only short if there's a reverse above the 265 area, the 50-minute primary bar, and short small amounts. Because we could be facing a huge plunge here. And generally, to see what a bottom might be, to get clues, we look at the daily chart. We look at some of these prices right here. I was trying to see if maybe this area 264 was going to be support. Then all the way down maybe to this other candle right here, the 263. And then there's this 262 area, which really ended up being between here and here, ended up being a support. That's it for yesterday's trade for VIX trading. Thank you for joining me. I hope this is helpful. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.